Welcome to our channel. Today we will dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and ask ourselves, are they the future of the financial system, or just a temporary fad hiding a financial bubble? As you know, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become a true global phenomenon. Over the past few years, they have attracted the enormous attention of millions of people around the world. Some consider them a new type of money in the future of the financial system, while others argue that this is only temporary food for thought and soon all this dust will settle. In this video, we invite you to consider both sides of this coin. We will dive into the history of cryptocurrencies, consider their advantages and disadvantages, as well as review current trends and future prospects. Our goal is not to give an unambiguous answer to the question about the future of cryptocurrencies, but to provide you with objective information and arguments that will help you form your own opinion. Get ready for an exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrencies. Subscribe to our channel so as not to miss the next videos, where we will continue to explore the fascinating world of finance and investment. So, let's start our dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, the future or the bubble. Chapter 1: Definition of cryptocurrencies and their features. Cryptocurrency is an encrypted unit of information, coins, that cannot be copied or faked. Each cryptocurrency works on the basis of a blockchain, a continuous chain of blocks of information. The blockchain stores data about all transactions. Information about cryptocurrency transactions is open to any user. However, the system ensures the anonymity of personal data. The first and most popular cryptocurrency today, Bitcoin, appeared in 2009. Its creator is named Satoshi Nakamoto, which is the pseudonym of the person who developed the Bitcoin protocol and software. With the help of this protocol, it became possible to generate data units, Bitcoin coins. Soon, other programmers began to create new cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Namecoin, Peercoin and others have appeared in the virtual financial world. Now the number of cryptocurrencies is approaching 1,000, and developers continue to create new ones. Before we move on to the second chapter, let's remind you of the best investment platform in the world, Bybit. Link in the description. Chapter 2: What is the difference between cryptocurrency and ordinary electronic money? Cryptocurrency systems are not regulated by any central authority. That is, neither banks nor the governments of any countries have power over the issue, exchange rate and turnover of cryptocurrencies. Electronic money is not tied to any currency in the world. Another significant feature of electronic currencies is that they exist only in the virtual world. While all funds on electronic accounts in conventional currencies necessarily have a physical embodiment, banknotes or coins. Points for and against. Discussions about the status of electronic currencies are ongoing. Most countries are slow to recognize virtual units of information, whose turnover is not regulated by anyone, as a full-fledged means of payment. In Japan and Switzerland, cryptocurrencies are already used as a means of payment. In the US and Canada, they have the status of goods and services. South Korea is currently working towards the legalization of electronic currencies. Cryptocurrency transactions are subject to low fees. Operations are performed without intermediaries and anonymously. Government agencies do not interfere in the operation of the system. For the reason that cryptocurrencies remain the entire global financial system, some experts compare them with gold. Skeptics, on the other hand, believe that transactions with virtual money are speculative in nature, because they are carried out in the network, and at the same time there are risks of losing value. Another argument against cryptocurrencies is the anonymity of operations, which can be used by criminals and terrorists. In addition, there is always a risk of hacker hacking on the network. Another controversial point is the unstable rate of cryptocurrencies. For example, Bitcoin at the dawn of its existence was worth less than a cent. Now its cost is changing rapidly and can be $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 at different times of the day. However, many consider the purchase of electronic coins to be a profitable investment that will pay off over time. However, analysts are of the opinion that Bitcoin is nothing more than a soap bubble inflated from scratch, and when it bursts, no one will return the money to investors. After all, the cryptocurrency has no owner. Chapter 3: Major problems of cryptocurrency. The main problem in promoting cryptocurrency to the masses is the governments of the countries of the world, large corporations. Today, the way of life is such that big people and global corporations have tremendous power over all processes and global financial flows, and the transition to blockchain makes many things independent of them. It will be impossible to control the counting of votes in elections, to control every single payment in the banking sector, and much more. And these big uncles understand that with the introduction of cryptocurrencies into our lives, their ability to manage this world will weaken. Therefore, cryptocurrencies meet such resistance? In China, cryptocurrency is prohibited today. For example, even storing it on your crypto wallet is a violation of the law. In the US, there are a huge number of prohibitions and restrictions for cryptocurrency. But right there you can easily buy a machine gun with cartridges or marijuana, because they are allowed. Is cryptocurrency really more dangerous than weapons and drugs? Yes. For those who govern countries in the world, it is more dangerous, since they cannot control it 100%. My opinion is that blockchain and cryptocurrency definitely have a future. And it's definitely not a bubble or a pyramid. These are serious technologies that can change our lives. But today there is a hidden struggle between the classical financial system, which does not want to give up its place to decentralized blockchains. Who will win? I don't know. But I know for sure that you can earn with us on the Bybit platform and get a $100 promo code for trading and investing in the description. Chapter 4 Summing Up. In conclusion, the answer to the question, why do we need a cryptocurrency, is simple. It is needed and it has a huge number of applications. The question is much more difficult. What is the future of cryptocurrency? And here there is no definite answer. There is an invisible war going on. And the more ordinary people like me and you come to the crypto world, the more chances the cryptocurrency has in the future.